Greetings. Today I want to encourage you to live in the state of your wish fulfilled. You see, when you live in the state of your wish fulfilled, it's a state of knowing. It's a state of feeling. That is why you are told that feeling is the secret. Because once you have that feeling, which is that knowing feeling, and you live from that angle, from that end, which is a place of contentment, a place of fulfillment, a place where you know that that which you desire is already a physical, hard and objective fact. And so you live as if it's already done. That is why you don't go wrong feeling like you don't have that which you desire. You go wrong living your life in a state of thanksgiving, in an attitude of gratitude. Because see, when you're living in the state of the wish fulfilled, you can't allow doubt and fear and guilt and shame and overthinking and all the other things that will block you. You can't allow those things to captivate your mind. As long as you get the knowledge of how powerful you are, you get the knowledge of universal laws, you get the knowledge of how the mind works, you get the knowledge that your body is like a supercomputer and you operate it that way, and you make sure it's always in sync with the rest of nature, always in alignment with nature. Once you do that, I am telling you, nothing in this world will ever stop you from having your wish fulfilled. That is why you have to always live in the state of your wish fulfilled. You see, for example, when Abdullah was teaching Neville Goddard how to live in the state of the wish fulfilled, when Neville became excited about traveling to Barbados third class, when he was told that there wasn't any space on the ship and that he would have to travel third class, because Abdullah wanted to teach us how we have to live in the state of the wish fulfilled. He made sure that he slammed the door in Neville's face and he wouldn't have no conversation about having any form of third class mentality. You have to live in the first class mentality, which is the mentality of living in the state of your wish already fulfilled. And so Abdullah said, who told you you're going to Barbados? The same person who told you you've gone to Barbados, the same person who says you've gone first class. And Abdullah lived in that state. And he never allowed anything to shake his faith. Because faith is you being loyal to the unseen. That is you really and truly believing that you're a spirit and you're definitely having a human experience, and you definitely believe that everything is spirit being transmuted into physical form. So you believe everything is spiritual. So you believe even money and all the other things that you desire in this world for survival, that they are spiritual. That is why when Neville, he had no work and he had no money and he had this desire to travel to Barbados, Abdullah teach him how to live from the state of the wish fulfilled by saying to him, you are already in Barbados, but you must sleep in your mother's home in Barbados while you reside in New York. So when you start to live in the state of the wish fulfilled, there's no geography, there's no distance, there's no such a thing as impossible. You're not living from your limited self. You're living from your limitless self. You're living from the place of the infinite. You're living from the place where all things are possible to you. You're living from the inside out. You're living from the place of the kingdom. That's why you must have kingdom dominion. You must dominate from within to live in the state. So this state of mind, our state of consciousness, this state of awareness is what going to create your reality, because the only thing that is real is your awareness, your consciousness. You can't manifest something that you're not aware of. You can't manifest something that you're not conscious of. So, my brother, my sisters, always live in the state of the wish fulfilled. Never allow doubt and fear to cripple you. Always live in love. That is why you have to start with self. You have to start by loving yourself, believing in yourself, embracing yourself. Realize how powerful self-knowledge is. Realize that there's no one to change but self. Realize that there's no one to blame but self. Realize that you're the Lord, the Master, the Savior, you're the Redeemer, because the redeeming power is within you. The saving power is within you. The all-knowing power is within you. The all-powerful power is within you. The ever-present power is within you. You can be omnipresent. You can be here, there, and everywhere. Where? In imagination. There's no limit to imagination. So you can be in one geographical location, physically speaking, but spiritually speaking, you can be in another location and it can appear as real can be. All these secrets are written in the Bible. For example, if you ever read in the Bible where it says in Joshua 1 and 3 that any way that the soul of a fish shall chant, it will be given to you. It is basically speaking about wherever you can go in imagination. You can go there physically. So whatever you can hold in imagination, you can hold it physically. Whatever you can shape and mold in your imagination, you can definitely hold it in your hand. I have to bring up my windows, the rain is coming. So, my brother, my sisters, learn to believe in yourself and learn to trust the power that is within you that you can use to achieve your every desire. But remember you always have to live from the state of the wish fulfilled. You see, if you accomplish something, it puts you in a certain state. But before you accomplish that thing, you can put yourself in a state that would help you to attract that thing to you. Because, for example, let me use money. If money is a physical fact and it creates a psychological state, make you feel happy and whatever, make you feel accomplished, whatever, whichever way it makes you feel, okay, then it means that a psychological state can definitely produce a physical fact. Therefore, live from the state that your wish is already fulfilled, and it will become a hard objective fact in your world, this physical three-dimensional world of matter. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I hope what I say it makes sense to you and it really resonates with you, and you're willing to put it to the test through visualization, through meditation, affirmation, scripting, mirror work, whichever ritual you want to use to activate that power, because all these rituals and exercises are there to help you to exercise your mind, because as I said earlier, your body is like the most complex or the most sophisticated piece of machinery there is. It's like a supercomputer. Okay, so all these things you're doing is putting you in alignment and programming yourself to be the best version of yourself on this planet when you do these things. So let me say, if this is the very first time that you listen to me, what I'm saying, if it really makes sense, if it really resonates with you and you have a subscriber already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. I will also encourage you to get my latest book, which is called The Secret Vagina Mystery of the Virgin Birth. And not forgetting also Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, plus my many other books like Your Mood is Your Fortune, How to Turn Water into Wine, Meditate to Eradicate Poverty, and much more. Also, my Bible, the 66 Books of Magic, the Overcomer's Bible, where Jesus has been omitted and there's a blank space for you to write your name, which is I Am. It's time for you to take back your power. Also, if you're not a part of my Patreon community, I'm definitely encourage you to become a part of my Patreon community and to support this work. However, for those who are willing to donate $20 or more, I have a course that is called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So you can definitely listen to those videos and let them help you to build more faith in living in the state of your wish already fulfilled. Okay? So get those books by remembering to check out all of the links that are down below, and also become a part of the Patreon community. If only you would check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that, besides, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.